Welcome to our next sound. Show me you're ready, sitting up and show me your magnet eyes. Fantastic. Our sound today is O. O. O, O, O. O. Fantastic. Now these words begin with O. O, O, octopus. O, O, otter. O, O, ostrich. Fantastic. Okay, watch. My turn. O, 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 O. Your turn. My turn. O, 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 O. Your turn. Fantastic. Okay, watch. My turn. All around the orange. Listen. All around the orange. Your turn. My turn. All around the orange. Your turn. Okay, look what I found. Oh, oh, it's the same. Orange. Orange is the same. Or, orange. Or, orange. Okay, so if you see this side, you say oh, and this side, orange. Okay, get ready. Are you ready? Fantastic. Keep going. Well done, fantastic. Okay, I'm going to say some sounds I want you to hear. If you can hear the sound, the word, and you can say, if not, just say the sounds like me. Okay. Oh, Did you get the word? Oh, on. Off. Off. Of. Done. Ox. Did you get the word? Ox. Ox. Well done. I'm going to hide our new sound in with all these other sounds you know. Remember, when you see it, I want you to go, oh. Let's have a practice. Fantastic. Right, okay, let's go. Let's do our speedy sounds. Well done. I'm going to hide it back in here. Keep going. Well done. Keep going. Well done. Super speedy sounds. Well done. You can go and you can practice writing your oh all around the orange. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.